And back to the show. Springtime in the Andes Mountains of South America sees the winter snow and glaciers begin to melt. The rushing rivers attract kayakers brave enough to test their skills against the world-class rapids and drops found here. Kayakers have always been known as a crazy bunch, but this can be misleading because it takes a great deal of strength, skill, and endurance to keep your head and body above water that's moving so fast. But if you ask any one of these river junkies, they wouldn't trade their kayaks for anything on days like these. With so much rushing whitewater, it's hard to predict what surprises the river has in store. For most, the decision about where to put in comes easily. Just keep your boat pointed downstream and try not to get turned around. There aren't many hard and fast rules about kayaking, except that it tends to be hard and fast. But these folks managed to make it look easy and fun at the same time. Far below the glacier, the river begins to widen out, and what used to be a focused rush of water becomes a flurry of competing currents and enormous drops. This guy can't believe he just survived. That, and I think he needs some air. After an amazing day of boating like this, it's a little easier to see what keeps bringing these adventurers back to the thrills that only whitewater courage and skill can provide. And don't forget, a sense of humor.